Hey, good evening, everybody. What a day today. We were warm out there yet again, 83 degrees. We actually set a record up in Camarillo, but it wasn't long. It was short-lived because sea breeze kicked in. We went from 90 degrees right back down to 70 rapidly. So that was the kind of day it was, as the sea breeze beginning to take over slowly for us. There's a look at what the winds look like as we drift offshore through tomorrow morning. We're eventually going to turn them back onshore as we head towards the weekend. Then we're going to go offshore again on Sunday, but this will be a cool Santa Ana event as we transport some cold air moving through, and that'll take us offshore. Some of those winds could get pretty strong as we roll into Sunday. So the high pressure area will release. We have one more warm day, which will be tomorrow, more 80s, then breezy this weekend, plus some showers coming our way next week as this front and this low starts to slip down through the state. The high will be displaced, and that will change everything for us. Rest of the country looking pretty good. If you're traveling back east, not any major problems. A little chilly, but that's about it. Tonight, partly cloudy. We should see some clouds, I think, an eddy kick up towards Long Beach through the overnight period. So nothing crazy. Low to mid 50s pretty much everywhere. Obviously the mid 30s up into the high deserts. But by next week, we will be tracking possibility of some rain, maybe some drizzle Monday night, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, anywhere about between 30 to a 40, 50% chance of showers. It's too early to tell you how much rain can be coming out of this, but we're going to be unsettled. You can see that. Valleys tomorrow, 83 before we start to drop off. So the weekend cools down. Sunday promising to be probably crystal clear. Those offshore winds, though, will be cool. It'll bring things down. Inland will be beautiful. Mid-70s, high desert 79, then 65 by Sunday. Mountains coming in at 63, 60 on Saturday, and 53 on Sunday. We'll have much more coming up on CBS 2 News at 11 o'clock. We'll see you there.